real quick, while you're still here, don't forget to like, subscribe, maybe leave a comment what I should do in the future. If you like the video, maybe some things I could do to improve videos. In this little blue screen here that you see, I'm going to leave my Instagram and my Snapchat because I usually post on those a lot more than I do anything else, so go check them out.
Alright, we'll try this out. See how long this lasts. Yeah, you'll hear a lot of transmission growl coming out of it. The truck's got 1.3 on it, damn near 1.4 million, so near as I can tell, it's done lots of heavy work all its life, so. Roads are a little bumpy in Ontario. Come on.